You guys, house renovation continues. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. It is early in the morning, well kind of late-ish in the morning because it's almost 11 a.m. Yes baby, I told you. He's asking me where we're going. I'm making some breakfast for the farm, well just some yam babe, so that we can leave out to go on the road. It's back to house renovation business for us. It's back to house renovation business for us. So today we're going on the road to try and find some little items for the house that we want. Yes? No, just watch TV for now because we soon leave, okay? The tricky thing about avocado. Yes, avocado. Mama making avocado toast. You want some? This one is good. You want some? No? Okay. He says he doesn't want it now, but as soon as we're gonna eat it, I'm sure he's gonna want to taste it. So I'm just whipping up some avocado toast real quick so Dave and I can eat before we go on the road. Ooh, look who is handsome in their one love shirt that I bring back from Jamaica. Oh, you're sexy, honey.
Hi guys, that's good to hear that when I wake up in the morning.
You're so sexy in that. I need to go and put on mine then. Jeez. You couldn't tell me you're wearing yours, so I put on mine. No, I can put on mine.
What is yours?
Say a piece of my heart is left in Jamaica.
I don't have to wear that inside. I don't want
What happened?
to. With Tyler. Yeah.
It's ready. Yes. You want some? Okay, so you don't have to cry. Say morning faves. Why are you whining? Hmm? You want me to carry you?
Yes. I said I'm to carry you.
Okay, go and sit in the couch. Mama is coming to give you some eggs and avocado toast. He's a hot mess this morning. Yeah, you're gonna sit beside Mama. You're so funny, yes?
Come.
I'm coming. You already took the seat. You're funny. You didn't see the gum?
Yeah, but I mean that if you don't find the sweetie.
Mama,
Yes, Stella.
must you say which one?
Marsha say which one?
Yes.
Papa already proceed. When Tyler give up Chase for Marshall, you know that's some serious business.
Mama,
Anika, you see what you cost?
Marshall.
Marshall.
What it?
Go.
So tell me again all of the stuff that we have to do. Come for her, ma.
Go, go, go. Hey, hey, hey. Finish now? Yeah, like that. We're at the furniture store, you guys. Trying to find some little knickknacks for the house, for the house. Look at that one. Smile and dream. Look, you see, honey?
So now maybe
Fun?
this too is still.
You having fun? Yes? Press the horn, say beep beep. Drive, drive, drive. Drive the steering, yeah. Broop, broop, broop. That's Chase.
My toy too.
Yeah. Oh snap, it's raining on the table. You guys, we're spending our entire afternoon out driving, going to different stores, trying to find different things for the house. We've done so many things already, and we have so much more to do. So many other stops to make, but that's why we clear our Saturdays to do this, because it's good when you can take your time and do these things and don't really rush it. So we went light store, we went decor store, and we also just getting inspiration. Yeah, we are about to go to the light store. We went decor store, we're just getting inspiration along the way also as we go along about things that we're gonna put in the house and stuff like that. So yes, we're on the roll. Hey yo! Hey yo! Nothing? No? You want to sleep? You're tired? Oh, he's tired. He really is tired. You guys, I'm trying to find some shoes for Tyler, and if I follow myself, I buy every single shoes that I see. Look at this cute one, which I'm super in love with. And there is this Paw Patrol one that I love. I want to feed this Paw Patrol craving. And there's Flash McQueen that he loves, and there's Spider-Man that he loves. I don't know which one to get him. And there is this other one that I think is super cute. I pick up this one, but then I don't know which other one to get him. I want to get him another one, but I don't know which one to take. Which one fits? And then we find winter shoes for him. House shoes. Which size is that? They're probably too big. Tyler, try on this one.
It's like
The red one. Big.
the boo.
Stand.
The boo.
Stand. Tyler, stand. Give me a hand. No, it's too big.
We don't have 27. That
So
every
try
size.
26.
No, 26.
You try 26?
No, but it looks baby.
Try
Look at
20.
this size.
Coco.
You want to try? Make him try this.
We found him this cute Paw Patrol house shoes, so of course he's gonna get it. Yes. How much for it? You guys, house renovation continues. I did this today. We bought this flowers right here, and this dresser right here. So it's all coming together. This is the bedroom. Have more decors to buy for here, but it's coming together. I'm excited. The camera's on, honey.
I don't mind, that's not new.
You're naughty. You guys, we got back off the road so late. So I couldn't get to throw down any cooking the way I really would want. But the fam bam is hungry. Hungry belly. Yes, hungry belly too. Yes, Tyler. Wait, after dinner, okay? I am whipping up something in the kitchen real quick, so let me show you guys what I'm cooking. Okay, you guys, because my lighting is terrible in the kitchen at the moment, I'm just giving you guys a sneak peek of what you guys can see. I'm cooking tin mackerel, tin boom, and you guys know that tin boom best go with rice, so there is nothing else that I could be cooking right now. Tin boom and rice. Dinner for the fam, yummy. Because this is quick and easy. In 10 minutes I finish cooking. Finish cooking. Mackerel is ready and rice is almost ready. I almost start eating without showing you guys dinner. Mine and Tyler. And baby's over there chilling. Yes, baby?
With rice, please.
You want rice, please?
Yes.
Okay, rice coming up. You guys, it is so late and we all want to sleep. Baby's down and me and Tyler to go, and I'm going to put Tyler down right now and go in the bed because I am so tired. We've been on the road all day, man, all afternoon. We went on the road about 11:30, 12, and we didn't got back until almost 8 p.m. We are so tired. Anyway, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog here since baby's already gone in. I will give you guys an expression because the expressions are not the same without baby and Tyler. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys that we love you and thanks for all the love and all the support. And if it's your first time to our channel, girl, make sure you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys. Tyler, come and tell the viewers bye. Come.
I already say bye.
Say bye now.
Bye.
Say see you guys
Tomorrow.